Mom, I'm going to take a jog in the park.
Okay, sweetie, but don't get lost.
2 hours earlier.
Breaking news. A popular toy most people call fidget toy has recently been banned in all countries after numerous amount of people have been turning humans into bubble poppers. Like I was saying, all fidget toys have been banned. If you or a loved one have a fidget toy, please turn it into the authorities instantly. Anyways, I'm Bob Hanks, and this has been TROLLGE News.
2 hours later.
Crud, I must have gotten lost. I think I should start heading back to the...
Wait,
Huh?
do you like Starburst?
No, and plus I don't even know you.
Well, my name. And your name is?
Hey, is that your child?
No, he's just someone that offered me candy.
That's suspicious. He might be using you for his sexual desires.
Will you shut the
I'm
f up?
just saying.
Whatever. Anyways, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted.
Wait for me.
Hello.
Hello, this is 911. What's your emergency?
Recently I've been freaking out because my son's been missing since 4:45.
Is that the last time you interacted with them?
Yes, but do you think you can?
I think it's too dark in here. Thanks. It's kind of bright, but thanks though. So where's the free candy?
I'm gonna see what's on the internet today. What a missing child.
I've got to see this news report.
Breaking news: a 7-year-old child by the name of Joshua Hernandez has recently gone missing. He was last seen at a park. Here is a photo of the missing child. If you might know where he is, please contact 911.
Wait a minute, this child looks oddly familiar.
Wait a minute, this child looks oddly. Is that your child?
No, he's just someone that offered me candy.
That's suspicious. He might be using you for his sexual desire. Sexual desire. Sexual desire. Sexual desire. Sexual desire. Sexual desire. We are at the scene where Joshua was last seen. People say he might have been kidnapped.
Hello.
Hello, this is 911. What's your emergency?
Where am I? Why are you doing this to me?
I want you to become a puppet.
What? Hey, look, free hugs.
You're so funny. Jacob is really say free death.
Haha, Carlos. Come on, guys, let's leave.
Music.